Okay, good evening. So, in electromagnetic theory, we came to a very, interesting situation where after reading everything, we were actually discussing the properties of conductors, right? And I told you about about many properties. First was that no charge will reside inside the conductor. Second was that electric field will be only perpendicular to the surface. And third one was there will be no parallel component of electric field, and all of them are related to one another. And fourth one was if there is some cavity, then electric field will be zero inside that cavity, and that cavity can be seen as Faraday's cage because it will be free from the outside world, na? And that is how we actually we put some shell outside an instrument जहां पे हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि कोई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पेनिट्रेट करे. ओके, ये सारी चीजें हम लोगों ने पढ़ी. और एक उसके बेसिस पे हम जरा एक क्वेश्चन करना चाहते हैं. लेट अस सॉल्व इट टुगेदर. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दिस. वी हैव sphere, okay, and this is a sphere. This is of radius r, and then you have a shell, okay, and the shell is thick. That means this is again metallic, and this radius is a, and this radius is b. Okay, now I want to ask you that if you have q charge on this sphere, okay, then what will be the surface charge densities of this sphere? बहुत simple question है. A and B. Yeah, let us do it quickly. So what will be the surface charge density here? So whatever charge is there, it will be on the surface. Yes, if q charge is given, uh, are you able to listen now, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if q charge is given here, it will only reside at the surface. So what will be sigma r? क्या हो जाएगा? It will become charge over the surface area, which is 4 pi r square, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then sigma a, this one. So because the positive charge are here, so because of induction, negative charge will appear here in same amount, and the area will become 4 pi a square. Okay, and then b outside again plus charge will appear, and it will become 4 pi, bolo bhai, b square. Correct? Yes. So this will be the surface charge densities. Now I also want to know, suppose this is the first thing I wanted to know, and the second thing I wanted to know is what will be the potential at this point O. Batao bhai, what will be the potential at O? So the potential will be, because of everything, field is different, potential is different. So यहाँ पे जो Q charge है, आपको पता है ना, इस टाइप के सिस्टम हम ऑलरेडी डील कर चुके हैं. So we will get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Because of this, first of all, I am writing it will be Q by R. ऐसा appear होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
All this charge will produce potential here, Q by R. Then what about the inner one? It will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by B. Yes?
A. Yes, sir.
Sorry, A minus B by A. And plus, what about the outer? It will produce 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q by B. So this will be the potential at the center. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
So this was the second part. So because you know that if this is the charge spread on this Q, what is the potential here? Suppose this is R. What is the potential at O? It is KQ by R,
R.
right? This is how we do it. और वो मैं पूरा बता चुका हूं आपको. And please see, when I am talking about that, this is the potential here. That means automatically I am saying that reference potential at infinity is 0. Is this okay or not? Otherwise you can't tell a potential. आप otherwise potential किसी point पे नहीं बता सकते. आप सिर्फ potential difference बता सकते हैं. तो actually you are telling that u0 minus u infinity, and in this case that is equal to u0 because u infinity is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, थर्ड पार्ट. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ग्रिफिथ एक्चुअली. द थर्ड पार्ट इज दैट सपोज यू जस्ट बाहर वाले साइड को अगर हम अर्थिंग कर दें, आई मीन इसको अर्थ कर दें, ओके, then what will be the potential and what will be the charge densities you have to tell. So first of all, tell me if this B wala part is earthed. So obviously what will be sigma B? That will be 0. Yes, जैसे ही आप इसको 0 potential पे करोगे, so it will be all of the charge will drain out. Yes or no? And
Yes.
what will happen to sigma A and sigma R? Nothing will change. No change. वो चार्ज तो कहीं नहीं जा रहा ना. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what will happen to the potential? Yes. Tell me.
Potential will be 0 at the surface B.
So what I am saying, what is potential? Potential surface पे होता है क्या? Surface
No,
के
no,
हर
no, sir.
point पे
No.
निकालना पड़ेगा, तब वो potential का surface बनेगा. Okay, that is a different
sir.
thing. Equipotent. I am talking about VO. क्या होगा? What will be VO?
थर्ड टर्म नहीं होगी सर.
Third term नहीं होगी because this is you are saying this potential is equal to 0. So that means in a way you are saying, in another way you are saying B is going to infinity because at infinity also potential is 0. Yes or no? So चाहे तुम कह लो कि अर्थ हो गया और चाहे कह लो कि B वाले पार्ट को कहां पहुंचा दिया, infinity पे पहुंचा दिया. So that means it will have only two terms. It will have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R and plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by A. And we can imagine that B goes to infinity. You can see it like this also, and you can see it like that Q became 0. Okay, किसी भी तरह से देख सकते हो. So this is one of the questions in which the properties of conductors are used. Okay है भाई, clear है? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear to everybody? Any doubt?
नो सर.
Okay. So let us take another one. So next question is like this. In this question, you have a sphere like this, which is of radius r, and then you have two cavities like this. Okay, this is a sphere, this is center, and this is suppose some radius a thing, and this is some radius b thing, and in this you have charge qa, and this you have charge qb. Okay, ठीक है? So these are two spherical cavities present and radii A and B, and this is capital R present, and at the center of each cavity you have charge QA and QB. So first of all, tell me what will be sigma A, sigma B, and sigma R. First question. What will be sigma A? बताओ भाई.
So minus QA upon 4 pi A
minus
square.
q upon 4 pi square.
Minus QA by 4 pi A square. What will be sigma B? minus QB by 4 pi B square. And what will be sigma R?
Sigma A plus sigma B upon 4 pi R square.
QA plus QB over 4 pi R square. Okay? It will be QA plus QB over 4 pi R square. ठीक है? Now, what is field here? This is question number 2. At this point P. बताओ भाई, what will be the field? Yes. So it will be 1 by 4. Bhai, it is simple, na? It is just like
Yes,
a
sir.
like a
2
shell,
point charge.
like a
Yes,
shell,
sir.
because only charge can lie on the surface. So it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QA QB by R square. It will appear that whole of the charge is located at the center. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What will be field inside this? EA क्या होगा? It will be only
QA by
1
A
by
square.
4 pi epsilon naught QA over A square.
R square.
A square. ठीक है ना? Here, very close to this. And EB will be
QB upon 4
1
pi.
by 4 pi epsilon naught QB by B square, right? ठीक है भाई? Third question is that what is force between AB? This. How much force will act between them? Force will only act when this is present in its electric field and this is present in this electric field. But none of them are present in
Force-
each other's electric field because field is zero, conductor property. So force between them will be zero. देखो जरा ये ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And fourth question is that if I bring a charge QC near the conductor, which of the answers will change? बताओ भाई.
Sigma R.
Sigma R.
If I bring a charge QC near the surface, which of the answers will change?
Sigma R.
Sigma R and ER.
No answer will be changed.
No answer will be changed. अरे पहले field तो देख लो.
Sir,
अगर suppose ये तुम चार्ज QC लेकर आए यहाँ पे पास में, तो इसके ऊपर माइनस QC अपीयर हो जाएगा. Yes,
yes,
because
sir,
of,
होगा.
huh?
Yes,
So E will change or not?
Yes, sir.
Field तो change होना ही है. Okay, so field will change. Field will change. Okay, any effect on this system? No. These are Faraday cage, like a Faraday cage. Okay, nothing outside world से इनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
Sigma R also change, sir.
Yeah. Then only E can change, ना? ठीक है भाई? इसमें कोई डाउट हो, कुछ सोचना है, कुछ सोच के बताओ. If there is anything, whatever you are thinking about it, anything differently. इसी बेसिस पे कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो related to conductors. Anybody would like to ask anything? Or
QC
anything?
के आने से
हम्म?
सर QC के आने से सर जो हमारा सरफेस पे चार्ज है वो
हम्म.
रेपेल हो रहा है, इस वजह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चेंज हो रहा है, राइट सर?
मतलब ये कंडक्टर है ना, तो इसमें फ्री चार्जेस हैं.
यस सर.
तो जैसे ही तुम QC लाओगे बिकॉज ऑफ इंडक्शन, अपोजिट चार्जेस अपीयर होंगे सरफेस पे,
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
इंड्यूस्ड चार्जेस। ओके, सो अब एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज डिस्कस करते हैं। that is related to surface charge, force, pressure on a conductor। अब देखो क्या है, you have suppose a conductor, suppose a sheet is there and there are charges present in the sheet, okay, some surface charges are present in the sheet, so they will apply force on each other, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because of Coulomb's repulsion, simple, yes, they will apply force on each other. So the surface, a patch, will feel a pressure also, लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा?
Yes, sir.
So how to see that, and what will be the formula, and how to solve problems on that? So this is nothing special, you have been learning Coulomb's law, आपको पता है कि like charges repel, unlike charges attract, so there will be a force, and when there is a force there is a surface, so there will be a pressure also, okay? जरा उस चीज को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, okay? So I want to draw one this figure, right? Surface charge and force on a conductor. Surface charge and force on a conductor. Okay. Now, what I want to tell you is that suppose you consider a patch like this. Suppose this is some patch of a conductor. So what will happen? इसमें अगर तुम कोई छोटा सा पार्ट देखो, पैच का कोई छोटा सा पार्ट देखो, so there will be some surface charge density associated with it, and I want to know what is the force and what is the pressure felt by this patch. I want to know that, और मैं इसको बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से आपको समझा सकता हूं, that this patch will feel a force is equal to sigma into electric field. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because this patch is kept in the region where other charges are also present, so this patch will also feel a force. But remember, अगर मैं डिवाइड कर लूं इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को दो पार्ट में, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दिस पैच इटसेल्फ एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू अदर थिंग्स, सो आपको पता है कि द पैच इटसेल्फ वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड उसी पे काम नहीं करेगी। भाई कोई चार्ज है तो उसके खुद के कारण उस पे फोर्स लगता है क्या? बोलो भाई।
No,
Yes?
sir.
No. So then that means we have to consider the other stuffs which will apply force on it. That is one thing. Another thing is that because of the discontinuity which you know exists inside the conductor, ये याद है या भूल गए? There is a discontinuity of electric field that exists for a conductor. So that discontinuity will tell you that suppose ये shell है, तो अंदर फील्ड 0 है, बाहर फील्ड सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट है, सॉरी सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट है. So there is a discontinuity, yes or no? So which field to consider? Because जरा सा अंदर फील्ड 0 है और जरा सा बाहर फील्ड is finite.
Sigma by
So
epsilon. Yes, sir.
मैथमेटिक्स में हम क्या करते हैं? We take average. मैंने बताया था आपको डिसकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शंस के लिए क्या करते हैं? What we do? So we have to write here E average. देखो पहले इससे आप एग्री करते हो या नहीं? So
Yes, sir.
suppose what will be E average is equal to E above, huh, plus E below
Below.
by 2. मैंने आपको समझाया था, ये मैथमेटिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट है एक्चुअली. सपोज दिस इज अ फंक्शन, दिस इज वैल्यू 1. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू एट 0? बताओ, बिफोर इट वैल्यू इज 0. What is the value of this function at 0?
So 0 plus 1 by 2.
F of this is actually Parseval's formula of this discontinuity. Okay, so it is what? Left side is 0, right side value is 1. So at 0, its value will be taken to be half. ये Fourier series, Fourier transformation, हर जगह use होता है. Laplace transformation, everywhere this concept is used. Yes or no? This discontinuity concept. सभी लोग ध्यान से देखो इस चीज को. ये clear है भाई? Because to the left of it, the value is different. To the right of it, the value is different. So what is the value at 0? So for a simple case, we take the average of it. Okay. And that's why I am writing this as E average. Now, अब अपने मन में ये समझो कि there is a sheet like this. इसको तुम कुछ भी मान लो. You can consider it as a shell. Shell भी consider कर सकते हो समझने के लिए. It is so easy to consider it as shell. What is field inside? 0. And what is field here? Anybody can tell? In terms of this. And what is the change? What is the discontinuity? बोलो भाई.
Sigma by epsilon naught.
So what is suppose this is the sheet and this is the field. So field is sigma by 2 epsilon naught here, and here sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So if I take n cap this side, so what will be the discontinuity? It will be sigma by epsilon.
Epsilon naught.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
what will be the average value of the field?
Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught.
Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Correct? So you can consider the case of shell, you can consider anywhere, it will be the average value. Okay, so it will be sigma, and here also you see यहाँ पे तो same है इसलिए average value भी same है. Okay, now what will be this? So ये पता है कौन सा formula है? F is equal to Q into E. Okay, right? F is equal to QE and then divided by A. This will become sigma. Yes, and this
Yes,
will
sir.
become F is equal to sigma this. So what ये dimensionally force है क्या? बताओ भाई. Is it a force?
Force per unit area.
Force per unit
Density
area है.
है.
Okay, this is force per unit area. So what is force per unit area? Sigma square over 2 epsilon naught. ये तो हो गया in terms of charge density. कभी जरूरत पड़ी तो हम लिख लेंगे. And this is pressure. भूलना मत. This is also pressure because force per unit area is pressure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now ये तो E एवरेज की बात रही, बट सपोज मुझे कहीं बाहर फील्ड पता है E, नॉट E एवरेज, तो मैं इसकी जगह क्या लिखूं? सिग्मा की जगह व्हाट कैन आई राइट?
So E by 2.
So F will become what? Tell me, what will be the value of F? It will be 1 by 2 sigma naught. Yes, and it will become E square. Yes, कितना हो जाएगा? E square epsilon naught square in terms of field outside, because
sir.
discontinuity is this much. So suppose I consider shell, so 0 is field inside and E is field outside, right? So this is about the field outside. What is this field out? Suppose shell है,
The E.
तो shell के बाहर वाली field है ये. This is the field outside. So if I write E, that is equal to sigma by epsilon naught, na? Yes or no? In the case of this.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the sigma? It will be epsilon naught E. Bolo bhai. So sigma square will become this. So what will be F? Now you will get a formula. What will be F? Epsilon naught and epsilon naught cancelled. It will be half epsilon naught E square. So if you know the field outside, then you can also calculate the force. And this force is pressure. This force is, this is pressure. Half epsilon naught E square. And what if you want the force? बताओ भाई.
एरिया से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे.
एरिया से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे तो एक छोटा पैच लेके इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो सपोज यू वांट द फोर्स, so you will have to do integral f dA. Write this also.
सर सर फील्ड आउटसाइड सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट से दी जाती है ना?
हाँ. No,
तो
no,
सर
no.
इसमें
Just wait.
ये spherical shell है sir.
So suppose I have considered this. तुम किसके केस में कह रहे हो कि
सर जैसे शीट है या कोई भी अगर हमारे पास स्क्रीन सरफेस है तो आउटसाइड सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट से होता है ना?
so suppose it is a shell, okay? So field is
sir.
0 here और इसके सरफेस पे बाहर वाले फॉर्मूले से कितना हो जाएगा? E is equal to
सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट.
Sigma upon epsilon naught.
sigma by epsilon naught.
Q upon 4 pi r square.
Okay, भाई क्या लिखोगे इस फील्ड को? E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught
ओके
Q by R
ओके गॉट
square.
इट सर. यस सर
Okay.
समझ गया सर. यस सर.
So अब पहले जरा अपनी कॉपी में सब लोग मार्क करो कौन सी चीज क्या है. एक तो ये फॉर्मूले में सिग्मा ई एवरेज, दिस इज एवरेज, इसकी भी जरूरत पड़ सकती है. Here this is simply sigma square by 2 epsilon naught, this is charge density. And here in this formula what is E?
इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आउटसाइड.
Electric field outside. So is this topic clear?
यस सर.
तो इस पे क्वेश्चन करें. So suppose I take two parallel sheets like this. Okay, I take these parallel sheets and both are having they are large sheets actually, and area A and charge Q on both of them. You have area A and charge Q, and the sheet is large. Okay, it is a large sheet and area is A, and these are parallel sheets like this, and the distance between them is suppose small d. Okay, this is the distance, and I want to know that what will be the force per unit area on the sheets. Force per unit area on the sheets. बताओ भाई. Yes, this sheet is, जो हम फोर्स की बात कर रहे हैं उस फोर्स में कौन सी फील्ड इन्वॉल्व है जो हमने डेरिवेशन किया है? What field is involved in that?
E outside.
ये
No, no.
आउटसाइड.
I am talking about it. अगर आपको याद हो तो ये शीट
सर
था
द फील्ड ड्यू टू
और इसी के चार्ज इन्वॉल्व थे. यस,
यस सर.
हाँ.
यस सर.
तो यहाँ पे तो ये भी है तो कैसे करें?
सर एक की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं।
नहीं, यहाँ पे बीच में फील्ड क्या होगी? ई बिटवीन।
सर ई बिटवीन नेट जीरो होगा।
ई बिटवीन कितना होगा?
सर
जी।
नेट वैल्यू जीरो होगा।
0 होगा, यानी कि उसका तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है, वो तो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर ले रही है। हाँ,
सर
तो
पढ़ेगा
हाँ,
सर।
तो हमारा क्या?
सर पढ़ना चाहिए लेकिन सर सर
पढ़
सर क्योंकि भले ही नेट फील्ड जीरो हो जा रहा है लेकिन प्रेशर तो फील करेगा ना।
तो जब फील्ड ही नहीं है भाई, तुम्हें ये तो तुम वाली बात कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा एक दोस्त तुम्हें एक तरफ से खींच रहा है, दूसरा दोस्त दोनों तरफ से खींच रहा है, तो ये कोई मना नहीं कर रहा कि तुम खींच नहीं रहे हो।
यस सर।
बट व्हाट इज द नेट इफेक्ट?
नेट इफेक्ट इज जीरो सर।
हाँ, तो फिर 0 मीन्स 0 ना, वेक्टर इज प्रेजेंट।
ओके
भाई
ओके सर।
जब तुम कहते हो कंडक्टर के अंदर फील्ड 0 है, क्या फील्ड प्रेजेंट नहीं है? इट मीन्स दे कैंसिल आउट ना।
यस सर।
In any situation, the vectors are opposite and they cancel out. Okay, you can say it like this. So I want force, so I have charge densities. क्या फॉर्मूला है बताएगा भाई कोई फोर्स per unit area का in terms of charge density? Yes, quickly.
तो सिग्मा स्क्वायर बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट।
Sigma square by
2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट।
2 epsilon naught. This we can derive also ना, याद है ना? So what will be this? 1 by 2 epsilon naught and sigma is q square by a square. ओके, फील्ड से देखते हैं। F इज इक्वल टू, बोलो भाई, F इज इक्वल टू
एप्सिलॉन बाय 2 ई स्क्वायर।
एप्सिलॉन नॉट बाय 2
ई स्क्वायर।
e square, and that e field is e out. What will be this field here? Because of both it will be added sigma by
सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन।
epsilon naught. So it will be epsilon naught by 2 sigma square by epsilon naught square. Yes, it will be cancelled. और कितना आ जाएगा? सेम।
रिजल्ट।
आ गया कि नहीं आ गया दोनों वजह से? देखो समझ आ रहा है या नहीं समझ आ रहा? So this is the force felt by the charge within the system. Yes, the charge present in the sheet, they are actually, so if you take a patch, so इस पैच की वजह से जो चार्ज है उनको छोड़ दो, बाकी सारे चार्ज जो इस पे प्रेशर लगा रहे हैं वो हम कैलकुलेट कर पा रहे हैं। ओके, यस।
यस सर।
सो ये दोनों कोरिलेट करके फिजिक्स भी समझ में आ रही है कि बिकॉज यू सी ई आउट वाज दिस, देन वी वर एबल टू कैलकुलेट इट। ओके, अदरवाइज सिस्टम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता। And if I have, suppose, a sphere like this, and suppose this sphere is given that this is a conducting sphere. Okay, and so right, conducting sphere, and actually this is having some charge. Okay, and the charge will reside where?
On the surface.
On the surface, correct? So what will be the force exerted by this charge on this charge? So ध्यान से देखना। So please write the question also little bit, that you have to calculate the force on this half part by the lower part. Okay, so that means you can make axes. Suppose this is some axis, this is z axis. If I make it like this, this is suppose x axis, y axis, and z axis, because we know a spherical polar coordinate better like this. So we have to calculate the force. So that means हमें सिर्फ कितने चार्ज को इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा? Yes, how much charge we
Lower
will
half.
have to include?
Half.
Half of it. Okay, so please write that this is a metal sphere. The radius is capital R. ये मैंने नहीं लिखा. The radius is capital R. Metal sphere radius is capital R, and it carries a total charge Q. Q is total charge that will be spread, and you have to consider the force between the upper half part and lower half part. What will be the force? Okay, so if you include only half of the charge, then only half of force will come. Okay, ठीक है? Obviously there will be repulsion ना, because of this part of charge, and because of this part of charge they will try to go far of each other. भाई सिंपल से समझो, यहाँ पे एक चार्ज रखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे एक चार्ज रखा हुआ है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये दोनों को क्या कर रहा होगा? बोलो. रिपेल. अब बाई सिमिट्री, प्लीज सी इट बाई सिमिट्री. इस वाले पूरे चार्ज को अगर मैं यहां लिखूं और इस वाले पूरे चार्ज को मैं यहां लिखूं, तो फाइनली इट विल बी गोइंग लाइक दिस. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? फोर्स. बिकॉज इफ यू कंसिडर दिस वन, so symmetrically you will get a charge here and here. So if you take the components, so other components will in a way cancel, and net force you can see like this. Okay, actually it will be going a repulsive force will be going in all direction, but for simplification, if I consider it here, it will be going like this. If I consider it here, it will be going like this. So let us take this point, okay, for simplicity to understand. देखो समझ रहा है? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that our force per unit area was sigma into E average. ये था या नहीं था?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what will be E average? 0 plus KQ by R square. बोलो भाई. By 2. This will be E average, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to
Sir,
calculate,
यहाँ पे हाफ चार्ज नहीं लेंगे सर?
ये तो मैं फील्ड लिख रहा हूं ना. फील्ड, आई एम राइटिंग द फील्ड. सो फील्ड में हाफ कैसे करोगे? फील्ड तो जो है वो है.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
फील्ड तो जो है वो है ना. तुम किसमें
Okay, sir.
कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हो? जब तुम ये लिखना शुरू करोगे तब कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हो ना. ठीक है. सो दिस इज ई एवरेज. सो नाउ राइट, सभी लोग अपने आप करो जरा. एफ क्या बन जाएगा? व्हाट विल बी एफ?
So sigma into KQ by 2R square.
Sigma into KQ by 2R square.
2R square.
This will be what? Force per unit
Area.
area. But you want force only on this. So you will write F is equal to, मैंने क्या बताया था? Integral F dA. बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir.
You want only on this part. So this will be is equal to integral sigma KQ by 2R square. Okay. Now this time what we will have to do is कि suppose field तो हर तरफ है. Okay. So I am taking the component which is towards this, right? So I am taking a small patch here, and suppose the field is in this direction, so I will take theta like this. Okay, so ये बताओ जरा dA क्या होता है? What is dA? So पहले तो
आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा
पहले
डी
तो
थीटा।
इस वाले f में एक cos थीटा कंपोनेंट लिख लूं. Yes. Okay. And what is this? 4 pi r square. बोलो भाई. d theta. No, 2 pi ना. 2 pi r square d theta. Is this okay?
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay. And you want to cover only the hemisphere, so you know that for theta 0 to pi, whole of the sphere will be covered, and for theta 0 to pi by 2, half, because you only want to cover half of the hemisphere. So जो बात आप कह रहे थे ना, वो चीज तो यहाँ पे छुपा हुआ था, तो that came it like this: how much area you will cover, and that's why it will cover only half of the charge. Are you getting it or not?
सर
Because
सर
your
साइन थीटा भी होगा।
साइन थीटा भी होगा, सॉरी। तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे जो dA होता है वो क्या होता है? व्हाट इज दैट? 4 नो
R square
r स्क्वायर
sin theta
साइन थीटा
by r d theta d phi.
d फाई को तो छोड़ ही देता हूँ, उसको 2 पाई लिख देता हूँ ना, एंड d थीटा. ओके,
Yes.
so it will be what? 2 pi r square sin theta and d theta. It will be like this, and 0 to pi. ये करना जरा फटाफट. So this force will come out to be 1 by 32. करना जरा फटाफट. Q square over pi r square and epsilon naught. This much will be the force. So I have used here this fundamental formula. इसी फॉर्मूले से सारी चीजें डिराइव की गई. तो if you remember this, you can do anything, no problem. देखो आ रहा है क्या ये?
यस सर।
ये साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा को 2 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा को साइन 2 थीटा लिख सकते हैं ना?
यस सर।
2 साइन थीटा cos theta will be equal to sin 2 theta. So this were the all properties related to that, and then it's time to give you a question as a homework. इसमें कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लो भाई. Physically, science wise, physics wise, anything if you have not understood, you can ask. So इससे ये भी पता चलता है कि सपोज कोई शेल है और तुम उस शेल को चार्ज करते जाओ, तो एक टाइम आएगा कि वो शेल उखड़ जाएगी. यस और नो? बिकॉज ये जो
यस सर।
रिपल्सिव फोर्स लग रहा है, ये किस वजह से अलग नहीं होगी? बिकॉज ऑफ द मटेरियल प्रॉपर्टी, राइट? सो वो जो टेंशन क्रिएट होगा, दैट टेंशन जब तक वो मटेरियल विदस्टैंड कर सकता है तब तक रुकेगा, अदरवाइज ये सेपरेट हो जाएगा. इट विल सेपरेट इटसेल्फ. ओके, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू दिस फोर्स इज इक्वल टू दिस. ये सबका आ रहा है या नहीं?
यस सर।
एनी डाउट you want to ask anybody? इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है?
सर जब हम लोग को इलेक्ट्रिक सर जब हम लोग ई एवरेज मेंशन करते हैं तो उसमें सर हम लोग कोई अदर सोर्स को कंसीडर करते हुए करते हैं ना, नॉट इटसेल्फ द पैच, मतलब कि
हाँ, वो ये जो छोटा पैच है, इस पे जब निकालोगे तो इसको छोड़ दोगे, बाकी रहेंगे. फिर जब यहां आ जाओगे तो इसको छोड़ दोगे, बाकी रहेंगे. फिर जब यहां आ जाओगे तो इसको छोड़ दोगे, बाकी रहेंगे. इट इज लाइक दैट.
जी सर।
ठीक है, तो ये ई एवरेज जो लिया गया है उसमें वो चीज इनबिल्ट है, मैं चाहूँ तो डिराइव भी कर सकता हूँ बट मैंने कराया नहीं बिकॉज नॉट नीडेड। ओके, बट यू शुड
ओके सर।
रिमेंबर कि अगर आप बाल्टी के अंदर बैठे हो तो बाल्टी नहीं उठा सकते हो ना।
यस सर।
ओके,
We are taking E average because of discontinuity.
ई एवरेज में दोनों बातें हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी एंड बिकॉज दैट पैच विल नॉट exert force on itself. If you want derivation of that, I can do it. Maybe next time. Okay? ठीक है ना? So both things are included in it. अब देखो finally तो तुम्हें ये सब सोचना ही नहीं है ना, because finally you know you have to write, you can write force in terms of sigma, you know you can write field force in terms of E average, you know you can write force in terms of E outside. तो अब तो जैसे चाहो वैसे निकाल लो force per unit area. Yes or no? All that was part of derivation. Okay, so please note down a question. Very nice question. सभी लोग ट्राई करेंगे। एक बॉल है, there is a ball, मैं बना देता हूं। This is a ball. Okay, and Q charge is uniformly distributed. In the volume. Okay, Q charge and let us take relative permittivity is equal to 1. You know, वो अभी तो हम ले ही रहे हैं बार बार, कोई नई बात नहीं है। And A, part A, the electrostatic self energy of the ball. Okay, and B part is, because we have been calculating energy also, force also, everything, the ratio of W1 by W2, and W1 is energy stored in the ball and W2 is energy which is outside. Okay, so the ratio of this W1 and W2, W1 is energy within and W2 is energy pervading surrounding space. So this will be end of conductor and all. Now we will move to dielectrics, जहां पे ये ER1 नहीं होगा. Okay, ER will not be equal to 1. So do this problem, a very nice problem. Try करना इसको, फिर I will discuss. Okay, चलो. So I will stop here and
सर
हाँ
सर ये कंडक्टर है फिर डाइलेक्ट्रिक, ये बोल
तुम बताओ।
डाइलेक्ट्रिक
जब मैंने कह दिया कि यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द वॉल्यूम, तो क्या कंडक्टर हो सकता है?
नो सर, नो सर।
और फिर मैंने ये भी कह दिया कि ER1 लेना है, इसका मतलब कि ये है डाइलेक्ट्रिक बट समहाउ यू हैव टू टेक K इज इक्वल टू 1, जो कि तुम करते आ रहे हो भाई। जो तुम स्फेयर लेते हो जिसमें तुम कहते हो चार्ज डेंसिटी सिग्मा है और तुम कहते हो कि फील्ड इनसाइड इज रो r by 3 epsilon naught, what is this? Can this be a conductor? No, this is a dielectric with epsilon r is equal to 1. Okay, yes or no?
यस सर, गॉट इट।
So ये जो क्लास 12th में तुम ये निकालते हो, you calculate the electric field inside or outside. In this case also sigma r is equal to 1. ठीक है, epsilon r मतलब तुम ये लिखते हो ना, 1/4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r. So you are taking this is equal to 1 right now. अब next chapter जो शुरू होगा उसमें this will not be 1. Okay, that will be called dielectrics. So that has got very very special properties. So अब एक तरीके से एक बहुत बड़े part का end हो रहा है और उसके बाद you know कि Laplace equation और उसके solutions वो सब शुरू हो जाएंगे. तो this is like end of that. Okay. So आप लोगों ने टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट किया?
Yes, sir.
प्लीज. और फिर आपको वर्कशीट भी मिल गई है? You have
Yes, sir.
seen? So try those
Yes,
basic
sir.
questions.
Yes, sir.
Try those basic questions, then we can have a session for your doubts and all. Try करना, ठीक है? चलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good night.